Okay, so we're going to talk about elements in this video. Um, Elements are really the basic building block of the EPLuA system. An element is, when we first started this, we started out with the word equipment, and then equipment quickly got outpaced because there are other objects within a facility that people would like to do logbook entries against, maybe a room or a process. So element seemed like a really good word for us to make the anchor inside a EPLuA. Okay, so the way an element is created, okay, and let's and what we'll do is we'll create a particular type of room type under configuration, and that's what we'll call that element. So if you are logged in and you have administrator privilege, when you go to the configuration page, you should see that you have the ability to either view current elements in the system or create a new element. And that's what we're going to do here. We're going to first concentrate on creating a new element, and then subsequent videos we will build on top of that. So as a system admin, let's go ahead and create a brand new element. Okay, and we'll call this element type, DSI clean room. Okay, we're gonna kind of stick to a pharma biotech theme here, and we're gonna say that we have a bunch of we need an element type or a class that we need to describe clean rooms. And when we set up this this definition of a clean room, there's some things we of course want to have consistent amongst all clean rooms. Okay, so we'll have in there cleaning date. We'll add that, and then we'll have number of times cleaned. We'll have that, and then we can have operator, last operator. Okay, so now I've set up a base class here, and then we can change these types here. We'll change cleaning date to a date. Say OK. Number of times cleaned here, we'll change that to a, let's see here, yep, we'll just keep that as text. Yep, okay. And of course last operator, we'll go ahead and keep that as text also. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create our new element type called DSI clean room, and then that's going to be available for us to actually assign physical clean rooms here at DSI too. Okay, and then if we go here and look at it, we should have a DSI clean room available that if we would like to, we could edit and add more to it. And of course, this is a brand new element type, and there's nothing associated to it, so I could actually even delete here. Once we get stuff associated to it, that privilege to delete will go away, but right now we could do that and make any changes at this level. You could kind of consider this a base class. That's a term in the programming world. And then what we're going to make is, using this element type, we're going to make instances of this. In other words, we're going to assign physical rooms to this so that we can then apply forms and reason codes to it at a later time. Okay, and I just did an update there. It just warns and checks to see if there's any instances there. I'm going to say yes. Okay, so we have our element created under DSI Clean Room.